Today, I'm going to be showing you how to rhyme better in your raps by drifting your rhyme schemes. To get started, let's check out some lyrics that I wrote to an instrumental that I produced called Drowning. And if you like this instrumental, I'll post a link to my beat store in the video description below. Now let's get it. When you shine the light on someone's darkness, they be capping. Chain reaction like it never happened. When they ain't gassing you up, they gaslighting. Tell them they ain't right, they gon' strike like lightning. And put the cable from your mic, man. The next day they aiming for your height, man. Trying to silence your message, it ain't right, man. So I let them alone and beat it like Mike, man. Now it may sound like that I had the same exact end rhyme scheme going for the entire 8 bars, but technically I didn't. Let's listen to the first bar and the very last bar so you can compare how the rhyme scheme has actually drifted from where it initially began. When you shine the light on someone's darkness, they be capping. So I let them alone and beat it like Mike, man. Now let's take a closer look and see what actually happened to these end rhymes. For bars 1 and 2, I have a 2-syllable end rhyme that matched perfectly with the ah and the n sound. When you shine the light on someone's darkness, they be capping. Chain reaction like it never happened. However, on bars 3 and 4, I changed the first syllable of this 2-syllable rhyme scheme and started using I sounds in place of the ah sounds. When they ain't gassing you up, they gaslighting. Tell them they ain't right, they gon' strike like lightning. Then on bars 5 through 8, I kept the first syllable of my end rhyme scheme the same, but I changed the second syllable to meh sounds. They still have the N sound on them, so they don't sound totally different than where they started, but they've obviously drifted away from where they began. And put the cable from your mic, man. The next day they aiming for your height, man. Trying to silence your message, it ain't right, man. So I let them alone and beat it like Mike, man. This technique is using a rhyming technique called slant rhymes, which is a type of rhyme with words that have similar but not identical sounds. And the cool thing is this: if you use a slant rhyme and then you use a slant rhyme on the slant rhyme, then you keep getting further and further away on your rhyme scheme than where you originally began, which can be a really cool way to transition from one rhyme scheme into another. This will open up a whole new world of possibilities for your rhyming potential. You don't always have to jump from one rhyme scheme to another rhyme scheme. In this case, you can drift from one rhyme scheme to another rhyme scheme. Today's example was subtle, which was intentional, but feel free to be as dramatic and obvious with this technique as you like. In fact, I'd love to see you give this technique a try. Drop some dope bars in the comment section below and use some slant rhymes on your slant rhymes to make your rhyme scheme drift into a different rhyme scheme. My name is ColeMize with ColeMizeStudios.com, where I strive to make you a better rapper now. And if you're trying to perfect your rap skills, make sure that you get yourself a free copy of my ebook, The #1 Fundamental to Rapping, via the link in the video's description below. And subscribe to this channel for more straight to the point, no BS, how to rap video tutorials just like this one. And always remember, when it comes to rapping, there's no rules, there's only techniques. Peace. Hey man, you see that subscribe button right there? Kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it. Oh, and don't forget the bell icon. Kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it. Hey, I know you see that like button, right? Kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it. And look at yourself in the mirror and tell yourself, today I'm gonna kill it.